Hi, everybody. CANNABIS grows here. How the heck are you doing? I'm just here to tell you, this might be good news for some people, bad news for some others. I'm gonna try it out for a little bit. I'm moving the Sunday session over to Twitch. I'm sorry for those of you that hate Twitch, but I love it. It's a better system. It is better for live streaming. It is better for cannabis consumption. I just can't consume cannabis on my channel any longer. It's just too hard to fight the YouTube bullying. I can't do it anymore. I can't. I want to continue my channel, so I'm gonna just focus on growing on the channel. You want to see me smoke the weed? You're gonna have to come hang out with me on Twitch. Sorry, everybody, but links are below to my Twitch channel. It's CANNABIS on Twitch. Just come find me. Type in CANNABIS. You'll find me there. Hopefully, I'll see you all there. Much cannabis love. Sorry for the last minute notifications, but I'm just gonna try something out. We'll see how it goes. See you there.